love too. Honk! But it's true. I'm a bird who seems to lack the knack. I'm just different. I'm just different from the rest. But who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? Difference isn't naughty. Difference isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. Difference isn't scary. Difference is no threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget. I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these grubby feathers, and I hate my stubby beak. There's a runt in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks will may be funny, but I hurt the same inside. Difference isn't spiteful, difference isn't wrong. So why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along. Difference isn't hateful. Different could be swell. Different. It's just, well, different.